Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about chapter playing with number. First, we have to discuss the definition of factor multiple. Now we discuss next part even number. What is mean by the even number? First, we have to discuss what is mean by the even number. Everyone know that all multiple of 2 are called even number. Means in last video we discussed about what is mean by the multiple means we have to write the multiples or write multiply with the natural number, we get the answer, that is the multiple of even number. Now we have to discuss even number. All multiple of 2 are called as a even number. So I'm writing the example: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on are called even numbers. Means those number which are multiple of 2, or we can say that the number which are present in the table of 2, it's called as a even number. Now we have to discuss about the next point is odd number. What is mean by the odd number which is not multiple of 2 are called as a odd number. If you observe here, is 1, 3, 5, 7 are not present, means remaining that numbers other than even number, means 2, 4, 6 are the even number. Other than that numbers which are remaining numbers are called as a odd number. Means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on are the odd numbers. Again, I will explain all the things. What is mean by the even numbers? Those are multiple of 2 are called as a even number. And what is mean by the odd number which are not multiple of 2 are called as a odd number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and so on are called as a odd number. Now we have to move toward the next point, very much important. We have to keep in your mind, this is very much important part. If you understand this part, you can know about playing with number. Means you can understand the question arises in given chapter. Now we have to discuss the prime number. What is mean by the prime number? A natural number greater than 1, means natural number which is greater than 1, which has exactly 2 factor. Already we discussed about the what is mean by the factor. I know that everyone know about the factors. Now namely 1 and itself, it is called as a prime number. Means 1 and number itself. Okay, factor means number, prime number means factor 1 and number itself is called as a prime number. If we multiply the given number with 1 and itself, the multiplication of these two number, that given number is your prime number. Let's see some example. 2, we can factorize this 2 into 1, answer is only 2. Other two numbers if you multiply, we cannot get the answer 2. That is why 2 is a prime number. 3, everyone know that 1 into 3, multiplication of 1 and 3, answer is 3. Okay, means other numbers multiplied to each other, we cannot get the answer 3. You see here also 5 multiplied by 1, we get only 5. But if you multiply the another numbers, we cannot get the answer. Like that 19, 17, 13, and 11, if you multiplied, okay, if you want to find out the 17 is a prime number or not, you can observe that 1 multiplied by 7 is 17. Then check the 2, is it present in 2's table? No. It is present in 3's table? No. Means we cannot find the two numbers other than 1 and 17, we cannot get the result 17. That is why we can say that the 17 is your prime number. Now we have to discuss the next part, composite number. What is mean by the composite number? A natural number having at least one factor beside 1 and itself, it is called as a composite number. again I'll repeat, natural number having at least one factor beside one and itself. Means in a prime number we have to find that, or we found that only two numbers whose multiplication is given answer. But in a composite number, a natural number having at least one factor beside one and itself is called as a composite number. Let's see some example. 4. You know that 1 into 4 answer is 4. But if you see that 2 multiplied by 2, his answer is 4. Means having at least one further beside 1 and itself. Means 1 and itself multiplied by answer means 1 into 4, 4. Then other two pairs means 2 multiplied by 2 answer is 4. That is why 4 is your composite number. Like that same 6. You can see that 1 into 6 answer is 6, means 1 and itself answer is 6. But if you multiply 2 into 3 answer is 6. That is why we can say that 6 is composite. Like that same 8. If you multiplied 1 into 8 answer is 8. Now you can multiply 2 into 4 answer is 8. Then you can multiply 4 into 2 8. Means you can get the answer more than 1 and itself. One more factor you can find out beside that. That is why you can say that 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. These are the composite type. Means I'll explain that. 14. You know that 14. 1 into 14 answer is 14. 2 into 7 answer is 14. Means 1 and itself answer is same. And other than or beside we get a 2 into 7 is equal to also 14. Then we can say that 14 is your composite number. And important facts we have to keep in our mind. That is very much important, because if you understand this, we can solve some example, or we can give the answer of some examples like that. First, or it is an remark, the number 1 has only one factor, namely 1. So it is neither prime or nor composite. Everyone know that what is mean by the prime number, what is mean by the composite number. Now you can see this, the number 1 into 1 answer is 1. Okay, means that is why it has only one factor, namely 1. So it is neither prime nor composite. Therefore in your exam one question is arises, write the name or write the number which is neither prime nor composite, and you have to write the answer 1 is neither prime nor composite. The next, no natural number is both prime and composite. No natural number is both prime and composite. Means there is no natural number present which is composite as well as prime. Only it is a prime or it is a composite. You can see that. Means here 4 is your composite number, or it is a composite number, and 7 is your prime number. Means there are two category only. If given number is either prime or composite. 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is only even prime number. All other even prime numbers are composite numbers. Means only 2 is a even prime number. Then in exam one question is arises, write the even prime number, write the name of or write the number which is